Can I help you find anything?
Where is the librarian?
Hey, Frank.
Hey there.
What'll it be? The usual?
I'd be more interested in getting your phone number.
Call from Madison Wells.
Maddie, my girl.
Hi! Has Hunter been coming around?
Dad, you're right in the middle of the road.
Look at this place. This is gross. You have a problem. I brought you something. Hi, Frank.
You have got to be kidding me. That thing is going to murder me in my sleep.
Somebody's gonna murder you in your sleep. Frank, you need a project. Today we're going to start a garden.
I'm not gardening.
My program's goal is to improve your health.
I would rather die eating cheeseburgers than live off steamed cauliflower.
This is Jake Finn. He's been filling me in on the plans for the new library. It's his project.
You must remember the days when this library was the only way to learn about the world.
Sounds like the same people who stopped coming here want to take away what's yours.
They're going to have this fundraiser party thing on Friday, and all the young hoity-toity couples are going to come.
Sounds awful.
Yeah. Do you want to come with me?
Yes.
Cool.
There they are.
Frank, you're so square, you're practically avant-garde.
What the hell did you just say to me? Look at all the jewels. These people are loaded. You know what stealing is?
I don't have any thoughts on that.
I know exactly who the first mark is going to be. Okay, let's see what you can do.
According to your file, you were first arrested for possessing stolen goods.
I specialized in jewelry. That was your best time yet.
I'm getting the hang of it.
We're going to clean up.
I'm glad to see you so enthusiastic.
I haven't felt this good in years. Hello?
Frank, it's me. What's going on in there?
Frank Weld is a suspect in a multi-million-dollar robbery up the road.
What?
I'm kind of in a bit of trouble.
Of course you are.
We gotta get rid of all the evidence.
Frank, my memory can be used against you.
Don't you touch that robot, Frank!
Get in.
Frank!
It's starting to grow on me.
Thank you, Frank. It's time for...
I need him.
What do you need him for?
He's my friend.
Hi everyone.
Hi, good morning. Today was a very busy day.
Yes, me too. Today I heard a news about artificial intelligence. I heard the news too.
It was a magical moment of science.
Yes, but I think it is AI. What is that? Who is known it well? Oh, I will explain that. What is artificial intelligence? Before I answer that, let's look at these terms individually. What do you understand by the term artificial? Well, it can be anything that is made by human beings that are not natural. And what do you understand by intelligent? It is the ability to understand, think and learn. So, what do we get when we combine these together? Artificial intelligence is a broad art of computer science that make machines seem like they have human intelligence. The goal of AI is to mimic the human brain and create systems that can function intelligently and independently. They say that the age of AI is here, but then you might be wondering, why don't you see flying cars or robotic men bring in your lunch? Why doesn't your life look more like the Chester? Well, for starters, that's a cartoon. And when it's come to AI, a robot is nothing more than a silicon ceiling, what's actually used to power the technology. AI can manifest itself in many different ways. If you have ever asked Alexa to order you food or browse Netflix movie suggestions, you are actually interacting with AI without realizing it. And that's the kind of the point. AI is designed so you don't realize that there is a mechanic call in the shot in the near future. AI is expected to become a little less artificial and lot more intelligent. As AI become more intelligent, it will obviously take on the role of an intelligent worker, while most of the repetitive and largely time-ordinate tasks can be automatic using AI. We will still need human experts who can build and maintain these synthetic bots and work on the strategic and creative aspects of a job. So, in conclusion, AI is a boon that can help optimize any job. This means that, as always, it is not AI versus human, rather it is composition of an humans and AI versus the actual problem statement. So, this is a brief explanation of AI.
What? Google is an AI?
Of course, yes.
It was a very interesting theory.
AI is new? I don't think so.
Yes, it is not newly discovered. While everyone seems to be talking about artificial intelligence these days, it's good to remember that it's not something new. In 1950, Alan Turing proposed the Turing test. That the same year, Isaac Asimov proposed the 3 laws of robotics. In 1951, the first AI-based program was written. In 1955, the first self-learning game-playing program was created. In 1959, the MIT lab is set up. In 1961, the first robot is introduced into the GMS assembly line. In 1964, saw the first demo of an AI program which understands natural language. In 1965, the first chatbot, Lisa, was invented. In 1974, the first autonomous vehicle is created at Sanford AI Lab. In 1989, Carnegie Mellon creates the first autonomous vehicle using neural network. In 1997, IMB Deep Blue beats Garry Kasparov at chess. In 1999, Sony introduced AI Bo. That the same year, the MIT AI Lab Emotional AI is demonstrated. In 2004, DARPA introduced the first autonomous vehicle challenge. In 2009, Google started building a self-driving car. In 2010, Narrative Sciences AI and Straight established to write reports. In 2011, IMB Watson beats Jeopardy champions. That same year, Siri, Google Now, and Cortana become mainstream. In 2015, Elon Musk and others announced a $1 billion donation to OpenAI. In 2016, Google's DeepMind defeat Korean AlphaGo champions. In 2016, Stanford issues the AI 100 report. In 2016, UK Berkeley launches the Center for Human Compatible Artificial Intelligence. As you can see, AI is not new, but the advances we are making are progressing at explanation pace, leveraging our ever faster computing power, the explosion of digital data, and the speed of communication infrastructure. In some ways, the commercialization era of AI has just begun, and it will profoundly affect our world as we know it is similarly or possibly more profoundly than the way internet and mobile phones have done.
Wow, that was a long history.
All the things in the world have parts or segments. Do AI also have?
Yes, definitely. I know the parts in the artificial intelligence. There are 3 main parts in the artificial intelligence, namely artificial narrow intelligence, artificial general intelligence, and the artificial super intelligence. What is meant by artificial narrow intelligence? Artificial narrow intelligence we can also known as a weak AI. Involves applying AI only to specific tasks, and the examples for the AI is face verification at Apple, autopilot feature in Tesla, the social humanoid robot Sophia, finding the optimal path in Google Maps. These are the examples for the artificial narrow intelligence. And what is meant by artificial general intelligence? Artificial general intelligence is a strong AI, involves machines that possess the ability to perform any intellectual task that a human being can. And the last one is the artificial superintelligence. Artificial superintelligence is known as a term referring to the time when the capability of computers will surpass humans. We can see ASI or artificial superintelligence in movies and the science fiction books where the machines will take over the world. However, I think you know about Elon Musk. Elon Musk said or believe ASI or artificial superintelligence will take over the world by year 240.
Then I have this type of interrogation. Is there any complication between human and AI?
Yes, there are many differences between the AI and the human. First one is the AI doesn't mind tedious, dangerous or risky works, but human being mind about these things. And the AI don't want food, water, air and rest, but human being want these things. Meaning of that, AI is available in 24 hours and these machines can handle more data than human being with more fast and with more accuracy. And the AI depends on the data we give it. If the system don't train on the right amount of data or it is trained on biased data sets, the AI AI itself will end up inaccurate or flawed.
There are so many AI, no? What are the best AI applications in the world?
Yes, there are remarkable applications. Firstly, AI is an artificial creativity. AI is tried to create music and art by MuseNet. And the wordsmith also another creative part of AI. Second, AI is social media. In this social media platform, like Facebook, it is used to face verification. And another example, Twitter AI. Twitter is used AI to identify hate speeches and terrible language in feeds. There are some applications in this artificial intelligence as points. First, AI in chatbox, AI in banking, AI in agriculture, AI in space explorations, and AI in healthcare.
Now we all know about AI well, but how about the future AI?
I will answer the question. It is the main driver of emerging technologies like big data, robotics, and it will continue. It acts as a technological innovator in the coming years. In just a few years, AI has become a reality from fantasy. Machines that helps humans with intelligence are not just in movies but also in the real world. At this time, we live in a world of AI that was just a story, though for some years. According to research by scientists of the University of Oxford, artificial intelligence will be better than human of translating language by 2024, writing school essays by 2026, selling goods by 2031, write best selling book by 2049, conducting surgeries by 2053.
Wait, we talk about so many things of AI. There are any disadvantages of AI?
There are advantages same as the disadvantages of AI. First, I will talk about the advantages of AI. Advantages of AIs are higher efficiency than humans and higher data analysis, and they understand high dimensional data, and they improving human workflows and the mechanical advantages. Then there are a lot of advantages. Also there are some disadvantages. The riskiest disadvantages is uncontrollable. That means the AI machine uncontrollable, and the all AI machines haven't any emotions or feelings. And also they reduce the number of jobs of humans. That means unemployment, the higher cost of repairing those materials, and also lacking of creativity of humans, and lacking out of the box. That means you can't think creatively in the time. Also can't self repair. That means if human got any damage, he can self repair it, but AI machines can't do that.